Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video, I want to share with you a really great resource that you can use to build a real affiliate marketing business online. Now, I say this in all of my videos, right? I always tell you about a resource I have when I do my reviews that you can use to start a real business. And I want to kind of go through that in a little bit more detail. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing and you're a complete beginner, stick around. I want to show you something that is really going to help you get started. Now, what prompted this video today was actually an email I had earlier, basically asking me for some help and advice in their own affiliate marketing journey. They have some existing e-learning type material and they want to find a way to build a sales funnel. Well, what they've actually done is signed up for something we call the 12-step action plan, and this is the plan that is completely free, guys. You can go and sign this up now. Just go ahead and look at the link in the description below, but this is completely free, and this is going to teach you step by step how to start a business online. So if you're completely new, this is well worth getting, because this is going to show you everything you need to know about how to get started. Now, the 12 steps cover all aspects of affiliate marketing. When you're talking about affiliate marketing, you're talking about a number of things. One is how to find a great niche to go and find products within. So that niche is something you usually have to be interested in and want to actually promote products within that niche. So it could be absolutely anything, guys. It could be diet. It could be like the health niche. It could be something like affiliate marketing. It could be emails. It could be software. There's so many different types of niches that you can go into. And basically what you can do is, once you've selected a niche, you can find products within that niche that you can promote. Now, you just don't go ahead and grab the links for those products and just go and shove them out to everybody and hope you're going to get some sales. That's not how affiliate marketing works. And unfortunately, when you're a beginner, that's the thing that most people do. They go and grab a link from somewhere, maybe it's from Amazon, or maybe it is from somewhere like Warrior Plus that does more make money online type stuff. And you just try and shove that link in and hope that somebody's going to buy it. That is not the way that you start affiliate marketing online, guys. You're going to set the whole foundation of your business up to allow you to actually promote things to people, give value first, give them some advice, give them something that they can actually use for free, and then you can go ahead and promote things on the back end. Now, the 12-step action plan will teach you exactly how to do that in great detail. So I just go quickly through the 12 steps. There's a heck of a lot of detail here, guys. But the first one is all about getting started. So if you've been in the kind of affiliate marketing niche for a while and you come across areas like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you may have some issues with buying lots and lots of different products and they're not giving you any kind of benefit. Now, the getting started section is a great place to start, because what's going to happen is you're going to go through a series of videos there that kind of get you into the mode of thinking about what's real about actually making money online. If you've not really been exposed to those areas, still watch those videos, because it gives you a good grounding and helps you really understand. There's great videos in there about how long it takes to get started online, other ones about something called shiny object syndrome, and they're really good videos, guys, to actually give you some kind of grounding. Next one is all about choosing that niche. And again, lots of people struggle when they first come online about, what kind of niche am I going to go into? What actually makes money? And this is going to really help you find what your interests are, and then go ahead and find some niches you can actually use to promote online, because not all niches are great for promoting online. And the other thing is, some niches are quite complex to actually promote and need like demonstration videos and that kind of thing, which are harder to do for a beginner. Okay, so this will teach you a way to actually find a very simple niche and actually start off with that and growing your business. Next thing is all about building your website. Now, this is kind of a very basic website you start with that's actually going to grow as you go along. Now, this website, this step 2 is all about building the very basic framework of that, and then later steps will give you a little bit more detail. Next thing is teaching you the different types of traffic that you can use. Now, traffic is basically visitors. So who are you actually going to go ahead and promote and show your information to, show your value, show your guides, whatever it may be? Who are you going to go and do that to? That's going to help you in this section here understand what kind of audiences are in what type of social media sites. Next thing is investing in yourself, the importance of what you might need to get started online. Guys, I'm going to tell you something here now. It's not free. you need to have a page builder, you need to have some kind of website. You can get a combination of them these days when you get some kind of free access to things like GetResponse, which gives you page builders and email websites as well, or email access as well. So there is ways that you can actually do this for completely for free. But the reality is, if you want to grow a real business online, you need to start investing in yourself. And that section tells you the types of tools you need. What you actually go ahead and use may need some research from yourself. We have some recommendations here. You don't have to use them. Next thing is more of building the foundation, starting to add to your website, building things like legal pages, about me pages, that kind of thing. That's really going to help you flesh out your website. Then you have creating valuable content. This is one of the most important things that you need to do as an affiliate marketer. If you're just going to go ahead and throw your links at people, I'll say it again, you're not going to get any sales. If you go ahead and start creating content for people they find valuable, they find interesting, and you're teaching somebody something, then you're going to start seeing more and more engagement. People will start joining your email list, and you can start promoting stuff to people, right? And then that's the main thing about actually building a business. It's not about getting a link and trying to get somebody to buy something. It really doesn't work. Next thing is creating a lead, valuable lead magnet. Now, what you can do is build a page where people will come along and actually sign up onto your email list. Now, nobody's going to sign up for your email list for absolutely nothing. For instance, when I recommend this to you, you're getting this product. This is almost a lead magnet for me, right? But this is valuable, and this is going to teach you something. So I can actually promote this to you, or I can actually recommend this to you, knowing you're actually going to get some real value out of it. Well, this teaches you how to do the same. You can do such a simple lead magnet. It could be a little checklist. It could be a one-page PDF explaining something to someone, maybe some recipe PDFs, whatever niche you're in. And this is going to teach you how to do that in step 7. Step 8 is all about email marketing. If you're going to be online, guys, you need an email list, and you need to be email marketing. Full stop. It's still one of the best ways to reach people and to get your message out there and be able to recommend things to people. Step 9 is free traffic sources. Now, there is some great traffic sources in here. I just click into here. I'm going to show you the kind of detail you have on here. You'll always have these introduction videos, and then you've got lots of different videos. In this actual 12-step action plan, there's over 50 videos plus, and they're being added to all the time. And they give you every aspect that you'll need, as I said, to actually start a business. Now, on there here, you actually got things like Reddit, Quora, Medium. You've got social media traffic and YouTube explained. So there's lots of different kind of options for you to actually have free traffic over to your various pages that you're going to build with the action plan. Now, next up, you've got optimizing your site for sales. These are, again, more things that you can add to your website to make sure that you get sales. And then my favorite step of all is YouTube. Now, you don't have to use YouTube. You can do blogging. You can answer questions on Quora. There's lots of different ways to get traffic. But for me, YouTube is the #1 way that I get traffic on YouTube. I'll show you my channel just for 1 second. My channel's had 410,000 views. It's made over $9,000 in revenue just on the channel. And I've made about $30,000 or $40,000 this year on just affiliate commission. So I know this all comes from YouTube, and I know this YouTube strategy actually works. And I actually started with this action plan, guys. I actually started with this module and then progressed from there. So brilliant module there. Always my favorite. And then taking things to the next level is step 12. Now, if you want to go on, there is paid memberships to this. There always is. Step 13 onwards is all our paid membership. You do not have to take that if you don't want to. You also get access to strategy guides, workshops, the template vault. All of that is included in the paid membership. But just to get started, guys, if you are struggling, if you are new and you want to understand how to really build a business online using affiliate marketing, please don't just grab links and just send them to people. Go through this action plan. Take as much goodness as you can from it, and I'm telling you, this is going to be a much better way for you to start, and you will start earning money if you follow the steps here. So that was just a quick run through, guys. I really wanted you to understand what's inside the action plan. It really is full of amazing information. Go ahead and grab it. You'll see the link in the description below. It's completely for free. You've got nothing to lose, and follow this step by step, and you will have a business online. Until next time, guys, take care.